Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we think is the best little chalkboard signs you can find, the DSTELIN 10-pack mini chalkboards with easel stand. Whether you're planning a wedding, hosting a party, or need an elegant way to display messages, these mini chalkboards are designed to add charm and functionality to any event or space. Right out of the box, you'll notice these chalkboards come in a pack of 10, each featuring a small rectangular board that measures about 4 by 3 inches. The boards are made from eco-friendly, durable wood, giving them a sturdy feel that's built to last. They are lightweight, which makes them incredibly easy to move around and place wherever you need them. One of the standout features is the removable easel stand that allows each chalkboard to stand upright on any flat surface. This easel is foldable and can be detached, so storing or transporting these signs is hassle-free. Whether you want your message displayed horizontally or vertically, these chalkboards accommodate both orientations effortlessly. The surface itself is a classic blackboard finish that is perfect for writing with chalk or chalk markers. What's great about these boards is their reusability. You can write your message, wipe it clean, and rewrite as many times as you want. This makes them ideal for events where you might need to update labels, table numbers, or signs on the fly. These mini chalkboards are multifunctional too. You can use them as place cards at weddings or birthday parties, labels for buffet or food tables, signs for plants or favors, or even small message boards in offices or kitchens. Their simple yet elegant design fits seamlessly into various styles and themes, from rustic and vintage to modern and minimalist. Measuring just the right size, these boards won't take up too much space, but they're large enough to be easily seen and read. Each chalkboard is individually wrapped in plastic to prevent scratches and damage during shipping, so you receive them in perfect condition. If you're someone who loves DIY or hosting events regularly, these mini chalkboards offer great value and versatility. They can be paired with colorful chalk markers or simple white chalk, allowing for endless creative possibilities to personalize your setup. In summary, the DSTELIN 10-pack mini chalkboards with easel stand are a practical, reusable, and stylish solution for anyone looking to add a personal touch to their gatherings or workspace. Their quality wood build, versatile display options, and compact size make them the best little chalkboard signs on the market. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights and honest critiques. See you next time.